Hey everybody, I'm Taylor Scanlon. I'm from the Dan Plowman team. I want to welcome you to this newest house we have for sale here in Bowmanville, 109 Martin Road. This is a 3+2 bedroom all brick bungalow, 3 full washrooms, 2 kitchens. Come on inside, you're gonna love it. All right, welcome inside. We're now in the living area here. These are big and bright. There's huge windows letting in so much light. We have brand new laminate flooring throughout this whole main floor. We also have this open concept dining area here that kind of walks right into the kitchen. And in this kitchen, it's been completely upgraded as well. We have stainless steel appliances, we have stone countertops, we have a breakfast area. Everything you could really need is right here. This also walks into the sunroom, which goes to the backyard, but I'll show you all that later. All right, let's go take a look at the bedrooms. All right, so now I want to show you the bedrooms here. Let's go walk into the primary bedroom here. It is a very big bedroom. Huge window that overlooks the backyard. We have his and hers closets on this side. A huge 3-piece ensuite with glass shower doors. Here, you take a look at the rest of the bedrooms and the rest of the main floor. I'll meet you in the basement. Alright guys, so now welcome to the fully finished basement here. We have another kitchen with stone countertops, a huge living area, big bright windows that lets in so much light. We have another 2 bedrooms and a full washroom. You take a look at the bedrooms, I'll meet you in the backyard. Alright guys, now welcome to this fully fenced backyard. We have 2 big decks back here, a gazebo, 2 gazebos actually. This is perfect for everything you could possibly need back here. Take a look around and I'll see you after. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you would like to book your own private showing of this house, make sure to call that number above. And if you want to be kept informed of all the newest homes we have coming for sale, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Alright guys, I'll see you on the next one.